Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here at the Keystone Museum in Virginia, and I saw this really cool road grader made by Allis Chalmers, and it really shows some of the early road grader in construction history. Let's take a look. So as with a lot of early construction machinery, they were just afterthoughts added onto tractors, and Allis Chalmers did a really nice job with this one, adding a grader onto a farm tractor. I believe it was based on an Allis WC, and of course these evolved over the years and turned into a regular self-propelled motor grader that was purpose-built later on, and eventually turned into Fiat Allis graders in the late 70s. It's a beautiful restoration here, and you can see the original tractors sitting there in those frame rails. It's really cool. Thanks for watching.